Hello and welcome back. This is part 2 of Mathematics in English class. Thank you for joining me. I'm very glad that you are here. Okay, so the previous time we tackled natural numbers, whole numbers, and divisibility. I hope that you remember the previous lesson pretty well. So today we are going to a new thing. We're going to learn a new set of numbers, which is called rational numbers. A rational number is a number that we can express as p divided by q, where p and q are integers. So here you can see a fraction. What is a fraction? It is p, which is a numerator, and q, which is a denominator. Okay, for example, we have a cake and we have 6 people. So we are going to divide this cake into 6 pieces. So these 6 pieces will go there. That's the denominator. That's the number of pieces we have. Out of how many pieces we can choose something. And the top number, the numerator, is the number of pieces we have. For example, I have in my hands 2 pieces of cake for me and for my friend. Okay, fractions are really tricky things. For example, if we want to make some operations with fractions, we should always be aware of the mistakes we can make. And the most common mistake is confusing the denominator. Yes. For example, if we have 1/3 and 1/5, we cannot add these numbers as simple as we add 3 and 5, for example. To add 2 fractions, we should have the denominator, which is the same. So we should multiply 1/3 by 5, and we should multiply 1/5 by 3 first. So please mind that the denominator is a very important issue in fraction addition, subtraction, multiplication, and division. Alright? So let's move on to a problem. Mom baked a cake and put it in the refrigerator. Dad came along and ate 1/6 of the cake. Later, Sam came along and ate 1/5 of what was left. Later, Susan ate 1/4 of what was left. That evening, Mitchell ate 1/3 of what was left. Arnold, the baby, ate half of what was left. And Mom finally got to eat the rest of the cake. Who ate the most cake? Try to solve the problem yourself. Actually, the problem may sound quite difficult, but in fact it is not. So let's see. Let's begin with 6 equal size pieces of paper to simulate the entire cake. That eats 1/6, which leaves 5 equal pieces, or 5/6 of the cake. Sam eats 1/5, which leaves 4 equal pieces. Notice that Sam's 1/5 is the same size as Dad's 1/6. The remaining 4 pieces represent 4/6 of the cake. Right? So which is 2/3 of the cake, if we simplify the fraction, right? Susan eats 1/4, which leaves 3 equal pieces. Again, her 1/4 is the same size as the other pieces. Mitchell eats 1/3 of the pieces, which leaves 2 equal pieces. Arnold eats 1 of the remaining 2 pieces, leaving 1 equal size piece. Mom eats the remaining piece of cake. So notice that although the fractions are different, each person ate the same amount of cake. So there is no one who ate the most cake. Welcome back, and let's turn to the second problem. So, 2 candles of equal height are lit at the same time. Both burn at a constant rate, but one candle takes 6 hours to burn out completely, and the other takes 3 hours. After how much time will the slower burning candle be exactly twice as long as the faster burning one? This is a very interesting problem, so please please try to do it yourself. Okay, so let's turn to the solution. So first of all, you can see the picture here. The picture that, for example, a third grader can draw, and this picture will help to understand what is going on. So you can literally see, yeah, so you can subtract 1 hour, the second hour, and you can see where the difference is as we wanted in the problem. Alright, so that's about all. Thanks a lot for joining me today. See you next time.